Hello, this is Miss McCauley, and we're going to do today lesson 7 from the iReady program, session to develop, and it's page 164 on the iReady for first grade. Okay, and let's do the apply it problems. And we're going to start with this one here. So today we're learning to add 3 numbers. Okay. Write your name at the top. I wrote my name there. I wrote it in pen, but you write it in pencil, okay? Because if you make a mistake with pen, you can't erase it. But if you make a mistake with pencil, you can. Okay, it says here, find 3 plus 7 plus 4. So the first thing you want to do is find the 2 numbers that you can add together first to make a 10, which is right here, these 2 numbers. So I'm going to cross them off and put 10 here. So 10 plus this number, 4. So go ahead, have 10 in your head. I'm going to do it right here. 10 in your head, and then you're going to add 4 numbers. So go ahead and write the number 10 here, and then have 4 dots next to it. Can you do that? Okay, now we're going to start at 10 and we're going to count up 4. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so what is the answer? Yes, it's 14. Write it down. Okay, now loves, we got to find the 2 numbers that make a 10. So does 7 and 9 make a 10? We put them together? No, right? Does not. What about 9 and 1? Do 9 and 1 make a 10? We put it together? Yep. 9 and 1 make a 10. So I'm going to circle these 2. We're going to put these together first. And what does that make? 10. So I'm crossing it out here and I'm putting 10. All right? So instead of 7 plus 9 plus 1, I'm going to put 7 plus 10. All right, so we're going to start with 10. And we're going to add 7 more, since it's 7 plus 10. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I have 10, and then I add 7 zeros. And we're going to put those numbers on top. So here we go. 11, 12. You can put them inside or on top if they don't fit, okay, if you made them too small. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So you can write the numbers inside if they fit. If not, they don't fit, write them on top or underneath. Wherever they fit, okay, write the numbers. Don't skip this part. 10, and then write 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, because it's 10 plus 7. Okay, so what was the answer? It was 17, right? Okay, when you have these 3 right here, which 2 make 10? Is it 3 plus 2? Does that make 10? Yeah, no, that's 5, right? What about 2 plus 8? Does that make 10? Yes, 2 plus 8 right here. This makes 10. So right here they showed you. Instead of 2 plus 8, you're going to have 10. 3 plus 10. Should go. Okay, so now we're going to write down the 10 here. This space right here. And circle it. And then you're going to add 3 more circles. 1, 2, 3. Do you see that? You start off with 10 right here, this right here. And you're going to add 3 more circles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start with 10 and count up. 10. What would be next? 11. What would be next? 12. What would be next? 13. So what's the answer, Luz? It's 13. Okay. Let's do that here. Let's see which 2 numbers. Over here on this one, we're going to see which 2 numbers make 10. So does 4 and 8 together make 10? No, it doesn't, right? That's 12. What about 8 and 6? Do 8 and 6 together make 10? No, they don't. That's 14. What about 4 and 6? Do 4 and 6 together make 10? Yes, 4 and 6 together make 10. So we're going to cross out 4 and 6, and we're going to write 10. So let's do that. Cross out the 4, cross out the 6, and write 10. So instead of 4 plus 8 plus 6, we're going to say 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. So go ahead and cross out the 4 and 6 and write 10 next to it. Okay, so we're going to start with the 10 counting 8, 10 plus 8. Put 10 here and circle it. Okay, now we're going to draw 8 circles because we have 10 and we're going to add 8 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go ahead and draw your 8 circles. Okay, now we're going to count up. After you drew your 8 circles, we're going to count up. 10, 11. What comes next? 12. What comes next? 13. What comes next? 14. What comes next? 15. What comes next? 16. What comes next? 17. What comes next? 18. Now, if the numbers don't fit inside, put them on top or put them underneath. It doesn't matter, just somewhere that they fit. Or you can do dots. If you can't make circles like this, you can do dots like I did here, okay? All right, so our answer is 10 plus 8 more is 18. Write it in. So if you can't do circles like this, you can do dots and put the numbers on top the way I did here. Okay, either way it works. All right, let's do the last one. This one right here. Malik picks up 7 pencils. So I'm going to circle the 7. We know she picks up 7 pencils. Carla picks up 5 pencils. And Carla does 5 pencils. And AJ picks up 5 pencils. How many pencils do the children pick up? So that means all the pencils, the 7, the 5, and the 5. Here it is, 7 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, let's find a 10. Do 7 and 5 make 10? Nope, that's 12. 7 and 5 is 12. So let's do 5 plus 5. Does 5 plus 5 make 10? Yes, it does. I'm going to put 10 here. I'm going to cross out the 5 and 5. We're trading the 5 and 5 for this 10. Okay, we didn't cross out the 7, so we still have to write it here, okay? So 7 plus 10. Okay, let's start off with 10 since it's bigger than 7. We'll start off with 10 here. And we're going to add 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you could do it this way. 10, and then what comes next? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then write the answer there. Or you can write the numbers. 11, 12, see 10, and then 11, then 12, then what comes next? 13. What comes next? 14. What comes next? 15. What comes next? 16. What comes next? 17. Okay. 17 is our answer. 17 pencils. Okay. All right. Great job. Now, lovies, if I see this paper without the drawings, I know then that you don't understand how to do it. You have to show me the drawings so that I know you understand how to do it. All right. Great job.